During the China International Big Data Industry Expo held in China's Guizhou, former Croatian Deputy Prime Minister Ante Simonik said China's digital achievements are creating a future for all.
What you are doing in this sector of artificial intelligence, big data, all these stories about high technology, you are doing extremely important progress and achievements in the field that is not only important for your city, your province or China, it's important globally for all the humankind. So I will emphasize the easiest way to predict the future is to create the future. You are here creating the future for yourself, for all of us. No one country, no one city is an island. So we cannot rest on the achievements of the past generations. We have to share the best ideas, the best projects on the global level for the benefit of all the humans.
The mountainous province of Guizhou is often dubbed China's Big Data Hub. It is China's first national big data comprehensive pilot zone and promotes the big data industry as the backbone of its high-quality social and economic development.
This is the right place to talk because Guizhou is the hub in the field for big data for southwest China, but is becoming with intention to become the main hub of China and even of the world in this big data environment. And it's fantastic what you are doing. So right place and right position for this important meeting to be held here to attract experts from all around the world. Expert decision makers, stakeholders, teachers, to bring them all together to work together. To do the best what our generation can do, not only for us, but for the world.
Simonik held the long-lasting history and positive relations between China and his country and called on the two sides to work together for an even better future.
The history and positive relations are very deep and long-lasting in various areas. So Croatia is part of Belt and Road Initiative. So our relations in various fields are very intensive, but always it can be better.